The UPSC exam is divided into three stages: the preliminary exam, the mains exam, and the interview. Let's talk about the preliminary exams. In prelims, there will be two papers, General Studies 1 and General Studies 2, also known as CSAT. In GS1, there will be 100 MCQs carrying 2 marks each, total of 200 marks, and 2 hours will be given to complete this paper. The cutoff of this paper decides your selection to mains. The GS2 paper, also known as CSAT paper, carries 80 MCQs, 2.5 marks each, total of 200 marks. Again, 2 hours will be given to complete this exam, and it is of qualifying nature. 33% marks are needed to qualify this paper. In main stage, there are 9 papers, and all of the papers are descriptive type. 4 papers are of general studies, 2 papers are of the optional subject, 1 essay paper, and 2 language paper. One language paper is of English and the other language paper is chosen by the candidate. The language papers are of qualifying nature and 25% marks are needed to qualify this exam. The final stage is of the interview stage, also known as the personality test. This will carry 275 marks.